Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm really excited to share with you this amazing new mold that I received from Into Resin. Their first mold was amazing. It was successful in every way. So let's try this one. So I'm just opening the mold now. So this is how the mold look like. It's a snowflake. At first glance, I really love the design of this snowflake. I haven't seen a design like this before. And on top it is faceted. So I have mixed a low viscosity resin here, so please make sure that when you're pouring resin into this mold, you need a low viscosity resin in order to get that beautiful details captured. So also I want to tell you that I have mixed 40 grams of resin for this mold. This is the exact ratio that the resin needed for this mold is. So I'm just slowly pouring the resin into this mold now. It's a handmade mold and the quality is excellent. And above all, you get a 20% discount on this mold. So if you want to treat yourself, everything will be available in the description. So you can treat yourself. So here I'm just pouring very slowly the resin into all the corners of this snowflake. I can see so many ideas in my mind for this. So today I'm sharing one of them. Please make sure to see the video until the end, because at the end you will be seeing the final product that I'm going to make out of this snowflake. And when I have poured the resin, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Super excited to demold it. So let's see how this turns out. So very carefully I am removing the snowflake out of the mold now. So here it is. You can see how beautiful it is. It is super shiny. I got some bubbles, but still it is really pretty. And I just love the design of this mold. You can see all the sparkles and rainbow into this snowflake. And this is just clear resin, nothing poured into the resin, and no glitter, no color, nothing at all. So now I'm going to make the snowflake again, but this time a bit on a twist on this snowflake. And similarly, I have mixed my resin, a low viscosity resin, and I will be pouring the resin into the mold. And after pouring the resin into the mold, the twist is that I will be using this holographic insert and I will be putting this on top of it. So carefully, I will be putting this insert on top of the mold here and from the center, releasing from the sides so I don't get any bubbles. So here we go, and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and let's see how this looks like. First, I will be removing this insert and already you can see the holographic has transferred. I am now super excited to see how this look like. And here we go, you can see the holographic look onto this. I got some extra resin on the sides, so I will be cutting that carefully with a small scissor or plier. So that is not an issue, but you can see adding the holographic effect on the back, it created some sparkles. And similarly, I made another one because I am going to do something different. You know that I always do that, so that's why I need few of these. So this is the second one. And here we go again, you can see the holographic effect. It is really pretty. Now I want to show you how it looks like into the sun. So this is just the simple plain one with no holographic added. So I just want to show you the crystal effect of this snowflake. It's really pretty. So this is the snowflake, and you can just simply hang it on because it has the hook on it. So you can use it by itself. You can use it, make it into different colors, but I'm going to do something different. So I have made few of these. So I made two holographic and two simple. One idea is that you can hang crystals from these. So if you like, I will show you that one also. But today I'm going to show you what I had in my mind. So I'm just checking on the sides I want to put. So this is going to be a bit technical. So I think this is how it's going to be interlocked. So one is going to be plain, the other one is going to be holographic, then plain, and then holographic. So all in all, I'm going to create a box here, a square box, using 4 of these. And for this, I need a UV resin, and then I need a UV lamp. So it was not easy. It was a bit difficult, but I managed to do it. So I put some UV resin, and then I locked 2 of them, and then directly I took them under the UV lamp. So as I have explained the process, so I will just speed it up. So these are the jump rigs that I will be adding to this snowflake box here. I'm going to call a box this at the moment, and this is how it's looking like. So I will be using my UV resin again, and slowly I will be adding the jump rings. So this is how I added the jump rings, and to these jump rings I'm adding this golden chain here. So up till now you might have guessed it what I'm going for, but just keep on watching. I'm going to show you something. It's going to be a surprise for those who haven't guessed. So I'm adding these chains to all 4 sides. It is a snowflake mold. It is beautiful on its own, but this is something I'm going on a next level here. And after that, I will be grouping these chains together by using the bigger jump ring. So it's almost done now. Let's jump onto the final look. So this is the final look, and I turned it into a sort of chandelier, you can say. So it turned out really pretty, and when the sun hits these snowflakes, there is a rainbow symphony going all around. I just love the effect. Overall, I love these snowflakes. Now I'm outside in the sun, and you can see them shining and glittering. So here I will be showing you how this looks like out in the sun, and you can see the sparkling. I added the insert. Because of the insert there is an extra sparkle, but if you don't use the sparkle, it has a beautiful rainbow on its own naturally. So this is the final look of the chandelier, and I hope you like it. I'm going to call it chandelier now, but it is looking so amazing and beautiful. Believe me, the camera is not doing justice to it, but all in all, this is what I turned the snowflake mold into. Super excited and happy about the end result. So this is another pretty mold to add to your collection. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.